Fast, portable storage shouldn't be complicated, and Hagibis M.2 NVMe SSD enclosures make it effortless. Designed for high-speed data transfer, efficient cooling, and sleek portability, these enclosures are perfect for creators, professionals, and everyday users. Here are the top 5 Hagibis M.2 NVMe SSD enclosures that combine performance, reliability, and smart design. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Hagibis MC200 Pro SSD Enclosure. Designed for users who demand speed, safety, and professional-level control over their data, this advanced NVMe SSD enclosure delivers a powerful blend of performance and protection in a compact, modern form. It supports M.2 NVMe protocol solid-state drives with both B+M key and M key compatibility, allowing flexible use across multiple SSD sizes from 2230 to 2280. With a USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 interface, it offers true plug-and-play convenience without requiring extra drivers or external power, making it ideal for both desktop and mobile workflows. One of its most distinctive strengths is the built-in write protection switch. With a simple push or pull action, users can instantly lock stored data into read-only mode. This feature is especially valuable for safeguarding important files from accidental deletion, unwanted modification, or virus infection, making it a reliable tool for professionals handling sensitive information. Once enabled, the SSD contents remain fully accessible for reading while staying completely protected from changes. Data integrity is further enhanced through a dual power outage protection system that combines a supercapacitor with an advanced main control chipset. In the event of sudden power loss, the enclosure provides additional backup power for several seconds, allowing the system to complete essential data writing tasks and update internal mapping tables. This intelligent protection minimizes the risk of corruption and helps extend the lifespan of the SSD, offering peace of mind during critical transfers. Speed is another major highlight, with transfer rates reaching up to 10 gigabits. When paired with a capable NVMe SSD, read and write speeds can reach impressive levels, enabling large files such as high-resolution videos to move in seconds. It also maintains backward compatibility with older USB standards, ensuring broad usability across devices. The enclosure supports up to 100-watt PD fast charging, allowing users to expand storage while simultaneously charging compatible devices like smartphones, tablets, and laptops through a single connection. Wide system compatibility ensures seamless operation across Windows, macOS, Linux, and Android platforms. The enclosure supports NVMe PCIe SSDs up to 4 terabytes and works smoothly without drivers or external power. It is important to note that this product includes the enclosure only and requires proper SSD formatting before first use for optimal performance. Pros: high speed, write protection, power safety, wide compatibility. Cons: no SSD, NVMe only. Number 4. Hagibis MC15 SSD Enclosure. Built to simplify modern workstations and mobile setups, this versatile USB-C docking solution combines high-speed expansion with integrated storage in a single compact device. It functions not only as a powerful multi-port hub, but also as a dedicated M.2 SSD enclosure, allowing users to install either NVMe or SATA solid-state drives. Supporting multiple SSD sizes from 2230 to 2280 with M key and B+M key compatibility. It offers flexible storage expansion without adding extra devices to your desk or travel bag. The enclosure itself does not include an SSD, giving users full freedom to choose capacity and performance based on their needs. Designed for both productivity and entertainment, it supports stunning 4K resolution at 60 Hz through its HDMI-compatible port. With a simple connection to a TV, monitor, or projector, users can instantly create a home theater experience or extend their desktop for multitasking. Both mirror and extended display modes are supported, making it equally effective for office presentations, creative workflows, or immersive media viewing. As long as the host device USB-C port supports video output, setup remains effortless and reliable. Power management is another standout feature thanks to the 100 watts USB-C power delivery support. By connecting an external PD charger, the docking station maintains stable performance while simultaneously fast-charging laptops, tablets, or smartphones. This ensures uninterrupted operation even during heavy workloads, eliminating the need for multiple chargers and reducing cable clutter. Data access is further enhanced through high-speed SD and micro SD card readers that operate on the USB 3.0 standard. Compared to traditional card readers, these deliver significantly faster transfer speeds, saving valuable time when handling large files such as photos, videos, or design assets. Combined with USB 3.1 ports offering up to 10 gigabits per second data transfer, the dock delivers a smooth and efficient workflow for professionals and creators alike. Compatibility is wide and dependable, supporting laptops and PCs with Thunderbolt 3, Thunderbolt 4, USB 4, and full-featured USB-C ports. It also works seamlessly with tablets, smartphones, iPads, gaming consoles like the Steam Deck, and systems running Windows or Mac OS. With 9 functional ports packed into one easy-to-use docking station, it serves as a reliable, all-in-one expansion solution for modern digital lifestyles. Pros: all-in-one, fast transfer, 4K output, wide compatibility. Cons: no SSD, no B key. Number 3. Hagibis HB777 SSD Enclosure. It seamlessly combines an external M.2 SSD enclosure with a compact USB-C hub, allowing users to expand storage and connect essential peripherals at the same time. This integrated approach makes it an excellent companion for laptops, tablets, and smartphones, especially for users who value a clean and efficient workspace without extra adapters or clutter. The enclosure supports both NVMe and SATA M.2 solid-state drives, offering true dual-protocol compatibility. It accommodates common SSD sizes ranging from 2230 to 2280, making it flexible for upgrades or reuse of existing drives. By housing storage directly inside the hub, it eliminates the need for separate external drives while maintaining fast and stable data access for daily tasks, creative work, and large file management. Connectivity is equally impressive, with a 4-in-1 USB-C hub design that expands a single port into multiple high-speed connections. 2 USB-A ports and 1 USB-C data port deliver fast transfer speeds, ensuring smooth performance when connecting keyboards, mice, external drives, or other accessories. A dedicated power supply port provides reliable power output for connected devices, supporting efficient multitasking across different workflows. Installation is intentionally simple and user-friendly. The magnetic cover design allows the enclosure to open smoothly without tools, making SSD installation quick and stress-free. Once the drive is inserted, the cover snaps back securely, and the device is immediately ready for use with true plug-and-play functionality. It works seamlessly across Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Chrome OS, requiring no drivers or complicated setup. Crafted from premium aluminum alloy, the enclosure offers both durability and effective heat dissipation. The metal housing helps keep the SSD cool during extended use without relying on noisy fans, ensuring stable performance and long-term reliability. Its slim and lightweight form factor makes it easy to carry in a bag or pocket, making it ideal for professionals, creators, and travelers who need dependable storage and connectivity wherever they go. Pros: dual compatibility, compact design, easy installation, fast transfer. Cons: no SSD, limited ports. Number 2. Hagibis XL-UD1101 SSD Enclosure. Engineered for professionals who demand extreme speed and thermal stability, this advanced external SSD enclosure delivers desktop-class performance in a compact and durable form. By leveraging the power of a USB 4 interface, it enables blazing fast data transfer speeds of up to 40 gigabytes per second, making it dramatically faster than traditional USB standards. Large files, high-resolution videos, and massive project folders can be transferred in seconds, turning time-consuming data movement into a smooth and efficient experience. It is fully compatible with Thunderbolt 4 and Thunderbolt 3 devices, while also supporting backward compatibility with USB 3.2, 3.1, and 3.0 for maximum flexibility across systems. To maintain consistent high-speed performance, the enclosure is equipped with a built-in cooling fan and a carefully designed ventilation structure. Airflow channels on both ends of the enclosure rapidly dissipate heat, preventing thermal buildup that could otherwise throttle speeds or reduce SSD lifespan. This active cooling approach eliminates the need for thermal grease, ensuring optimal airflow and hassle-free installation while keeping the drive operating at stable temperatures even during prolonged heavy workloads. User awareness and status monitoring are enhanced through a smart bicolor LED indicator system. The indicator provides instant visual feedback depending on the connected interface, making it easy to identify whether the enclosure is operating under USB 4, Thunderbolt, or lower USB standards. It also signals sleep mode behavior clearly, helping users understand power states at a glance. This thoughtful design detail improves usability, especially in professional environments where clarity and reliability matter. The enclosure supports NVMe solid-state drives with M-key or B+M key configurations and allows storage expansion up to 4 terabytes. This makes it suitable for high-capacity backups, media libraries, and performance-intensive applications. It is important to note that this product is an enclosure only and does not include an SSD, allowing users to choose the exact drive that matches their performance and capacity requirements. Installation is fast and user-friendly thanks to a tool-free design. With no screws required, users can complete installation using a simple card pin method, saving time and reducing complexity. Combined with a robust aluminum body and integrated cooling solution, this enclosure offers a powerful balance of speed, durability, and ease of use for demanding workflows. Pros: extreme speed, active cooling, wide compatibility, tool-free. Cons: premium cost. Number 1, and the winner is Hagibis MC40 SSD Enclosure. Built for users who demand uncompromising speed, clarity, and thermal stability, this high-performance NVMe SSD enclosure delivers next-level data transfer for professional and enthusiast workflows. Powered by advanced USB 4 technology, it supports transmission speeds up to 40 gigabits per second, with theoretical read and write performance reaching around 3,000 megabytes per second. This level of speed allows massive files to be accessed almost instantly, making it ideal for tasks like 4K and 8K video editing, large project backups, and rapid data migration across devices. It maintains broad compatibility with Thunderbolt 4, Thunderbolt 3, and older USB standards, ensuring seamless performance across both modern and legacy systems. Thermal management is handled through a premium alloy body paired with an expanded fin-style heat dissipation design. Instead of relying on active fans, the enclosure uses passive cooling to efficiently draw heat away from the SSD, keeping operating temperatures low while remaining completely silent. This approach not only improves long-term SSD stability, but also avoids vibration, noise, and mechanical wear, making it a reliable choice for continuous heavy workloads. Visual feedback is enhanced through a dual-color LED indicator system that instantly communicates operating mode. When connected through USB 4 or Thunderbolt at full 40 Gbps speed, one color indicator is activated, while a different color signals operation under lower USB standards. This intuitive feedback allows users to confirm connection performance at a glance, without opening system settings or software tools. A major standout is the included USB 4 LED display cable. This premium flexible silicone cable is capable of 40 gigabits per second data transfer, high wattage power delivery, and ultra-high resolution video output. The built-in LED display shows real-time current, voltage, and power information, giving users clear insight into power flow and charging status during operation. This added visibility enhances confidence and control, especially when working with high-power devices. The Enclosure supports NVMe solid-state drives using M key or B plus M key configurations and accommodates sizes from 2230 to 2280 with capacities up to 4 terabytes. It works smoothly across Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Android systems with true plug-and-play convenience, requiring no drivers or external power. The Enclosure does not include an SSD, allowing full customization based on individual storage needs. Pros: ultra-fast, silent cooling, LED display, wide compatibility. Cons: no SSD. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.